Hello children, myself Mrs. Aarti. Children, in the previous session we have started our second sem children. Second sem EVS first chapter we have already started children, and the first chapter name is Places in our Neighborhood. The name of the chapter is Places in our Neighborhood. Children, we have discussed about, in the previous session we have discussed about neighborhood, neighbor and some of the places which will provide us important services we have discussed. Children, can you tell me now what is neighborhood? Yes, I have explained you in the previous session, no children. Neighborhood means what? The area around our home is called our neighborhood. And who is our neighbor, children? Neighbor is a person who is living close to our home. A neighbor is a person who is living close to our home is called our neighbor, children. This we have come to know already, know? Yes, and we have discussed about 4 places in which will provide us important services. We have discussed about school, children. We have discussed about school. A school means what? A school is a place, children, where we learn to read and write. This we have already discussed. Next is market. A market is a place where we get our things, such as we will get our food, clothing, we get our footwear, and we will get our groceries, everything, whatever the things we want, that we get from the market. And all the shops under one roof is called shopping mall. This we have discussed, and we have studied about police station. A police station is a place. Who will be there in the police station? A policeman will be there, and policeman will keep our surrounding area safe. And we have discussed about post office. Post office is a place where we buy and receive our letters and parcels from the post office. If we want to post a letter also, we will go to post office. These 4 topics we have discussed in the previous session, children. And in this session, we are going to discuss about hospital, bank, bus stand and places of worship. These 4 topics now we are going to study in this session. Now let's begin the remaining part of this chapter, children. Open page number 151. See children, open page number 151. Open page number 151. Now we are discussing about hospital. Hospital means what, children? When you will go to hospital? Yes, you will go to hospital when you are not feeling well. A hospital is a place where sick or injured people are treated. Several doctors and nurses look after the patients in a hospital. See, look at the picture here, children. This is a picture of hospital. It is a picture of hospital. Yes, and the ambulance is standing in front of the hospital, and the sick people are also there, children. This is a pic of hospital. Hospital means what, children? Hospital is a place where sick and injured people are treated, and several doctors and nurses will look after the patients in a hospital. Children, when you will get injured, when you are not feeling well, means you will go to police station? No, you will go to hospital. Who will treat you in the hospital? Yes, doctors will treat you in the hospital, and nurses will look after you in the hospital. This is about the hospital. Next is, children, bank. Yes, bank means what you all think? Bank means money. What you all keep in the bank, children? You keep your money in the bank. A bank is a place where we keep our money safe. We keep our money as well as our gold things also, children. Valuable things, valuable documents. Everything we keep our money, gold and valuable things, children. Whatever the documents, that all we keep in the bank, because bank is a very safer part, children. So we save and deposit our money in the bank. See, this is a picture of bank, children. Are you able to see? Yes, it's a bank, children. This is a cash counter, deposit counter, and the security guard is there in the bank, children, and the persons are standing in a queue to take their money or to deposit their money in the bank. This is the picture of bank. A bank is a place where we keep our money safe. Yes, if you are having a heavy amount in lakhs together means you should not keep in home, children. You should keep in a bank. And if you want to send the money to the person who is living far away from you means you should deposit to children. You should deposit the money to their account. Through what? Through bank only you should do that. So bank is a place where we keep our money safe, and if you want to save and deposit also, we'll go to bank. This is about the bank. Bus stand. Yes, I hope you all might have visited the bus stand. Yes or no, children? Yes, you all will visit. All have visited to bus stand. When you will visit to bus stand, children? Yes, when you want to go to some other place such as Bangalore, Mysore, Bidar, Raichur, then when you will go to bus stand. In bus stand, what you all see? You see autos. Autos are standing outside the bus stand. Inside, what you all see? Inside only buses will be there, children. See children, this is a picture of bus stand. See, it's a picture of bus stand. See, buses are standing and the persons are waiting for the bus in the bus stand. This is a picture of bus stand. A bus stand is a place where the bus stops so that people can get on and off the bus. People go from one place to another by using the bus. Bus stand is a place, children, where all the buses are standing there, and they will take the people can get on the bus and they can off the bus. People can get on and off the bus. Bus stand is what, children? Bus stand is a place where all the buses will be there. If you want to go to some place means persons will go to the bus stand. They will sit in the bus and they will reach their destination. People go from one place to another by using a bus. Bus stand is nothing but it is a place where all buses will be standing in one place and the persons will go there and they want which place they want to go. They will reach their destination by using a bus. This is about the bus stand. And the last topic we are discussing is about places of worship, children. Places of worship. In the places of worship, we have come across temple, church, mosque, Gurudwara. Temple, church, mosque and Gurudwara are what? They are the places of worship in our neighborhood. Now, tell me, children, who will go to temple? Yes, who will go to temple? Hindu people. Hindu people will go to worship to God to temple. See, this is a picture of temple, children. This is a picture of temple. See, it's a Hindu. Temple means Hindu people will go to temple to worship to God. Next is church. Church means who will go to church, children? Christian people will go, no, children? Yes, Christian people will go to church to worship their God. See, children, this is a picture of church. It's a picture of church. To church, who will go? Christian people will go to church to pray their God. Next is mosque. Mosque means who will go to mosque, children? Muslims will go to mosque. See, this is a picture of mosque. This is a picture of mosque. Muslims will go to pray their God in the mosque. Next is about the Gurudwara. Gurudwara, who will go, children? Sikh people will go. So, this is a picture of Gurudwara, children. Gurudwara. This is a picture of Gurudwara where Sikh people will go to pray their God to pray to God. They will go to Gurudwara. See, these are the 4 places of worship: temple, church, mosque and Gurudwara. Now, we have completed our 4 topics, children. We have discussed in this session. We have discussed about hospital, children. Hospital means where sick people are treated. We have discussed about bank also. Bank is a place where we keep our money safe. And bus stand we have come to know, children. Bus stand means what will be there? Buses will be there. Bus stand is a place where buses will be there. If you want to go from one place to another place, you will go to bus stand. And we have discussed about places of worship. There are 4 places of worship, no, children. What we have discussed about? Temple, church, mosque and Gurudwara. Temple means Hindu people will go. Church means Christians will go. Mosque means Muslims will go. Gurudwara means Sikh people will go. So far we have discussed 4 topics: hospital, bank, bus stand and places of worship. Now what is your homework part, children? So you should make your one sentences about hospital, bank, bus stand, temple, church, mosque and gurudwara. All these you should make make your own one sentences in. You should write, children. You should write one point about all this in one homework notebook, children. This completes the children. This completes the chapter places in our neighborhood. I hope you all might have understood the chapter. In the next class, I will discuss the another new chapter. Thank you, children. Have a good day.